think we got the implant on the spool button. Retract her out, see how it looks. What do you think? Symmetrical?
Yeah, I think they look great.
All right, let's start closing.
Okay.
Can I get a suture, please? Thank you. Get this running.
Hey, doctor, I think we have a problem.
What is it?
I think the patient's developing malignant hyperthermia. Her heart rate and blood pressure have dramatically increased despite me giving more anesthesia. More importantly, her end-tidal CO2 is very increased despite me giving ventilation, and her temperature has increased by about a degree to a degree and a half in the last 2 minutes.
What do you need for me to do?
So I'm going to need you to go ahead and close.
All right, we're there.
Okay.
Can you get
Jen,
me a stapler, please?
could you go ahead and get the MH card and call for help, please?
Sure.
Thank you.